If you're still manually following up with leads, missing sales, or just dumping money into tools that don't talk to each other, this is your wake up call. Active Campaign is not just email marketing, it's automation that thinks. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly. And in the next few minutes, I'll give a quick review on why it's a game changer for your business. All right, first things first, let's clear the fog. What is actually the Active Campaign? Active Campaign is an all-in-one email marketing automation, and CRM platform. But what separates it from the cloud is how smart it is. We're talking behavior-based automation. That means you can set up workflows that respond to your users' actions, not just their emails, or not just their email opens or clicks, but site visits, product views, abandoned carts, and many more. In short, it helps you to talk to the right person at the right time with the right message without lifting a finger once it's set up. All I have to do, there are tons of email campaign templates, but the thing that I love the most is their AI template builder. Like you just have to give your any of your website or link like I'm providing here. Just paste the link and import my brand kit. It will automatically grab your company logo and brand color. I mean, whatever you have, it will automatically input that. But right now, as I have imported given the Instagram link, that's why it cannot retrieve the brand assets. But if you provide any website link, your company's website link, it will provide everything. Like I can add whatever I like. And after you have done everything, like brand color and fonts or stuff, even the social links, just click to save brand, and you'll have to provide everything here and then click to save, and it will save the preview. I'll just go to the create first, and right here you will see a lot of email templates, webinar event, new customer, and it has categorized all of them. Like if you want to give an update, we consider that holidays. It has a lot of things going on. So who should use it? If you're a coach, consultant who is trying to nurture leads, even e-commerce business, store owner, sick of losing carts, it's then Active Campaign can replace 3 to 5 tools in your tech stack. Seriously, it's not just for enterprise giants, even solo founders are killing it. The core features of the Active Campaign: email marketing, obviously drag and drop email template builder you have already saw, automation builder. Just come here and you will find a lot of things going on. CRM, sales automations, you get a pipeline automation builder. This is where it shines. You can build workflows that feel like mini decisions trees. Example, if even it has the sales automation. Let's see some real world use cases. Let's say you run an e-commerce business and a visitor adds your product to their cart but bounces and never didn't bought by. Active Campaigns triggers a follow-up email 1 hour later. If they don't open it, it sends a push notification. If they purchase, they are moved to a customer segment and upsell get up. You didn't lift a finger, but the system felt personal. That's the magic of this Go High Active Campaign. So last but not least, pricing and the downside. Let's be real. It's not the cheapest tool. Plan starts at around $15 a month and scale up fast depending on your contracts. But you're not buying a tool, you're buying back your time and increasing conversions. Downside, the learning curve is real. If you're new to animation, or if you're new to automation, it can feel like a spaceship, and the interface could use a glow up in some areas, but we can hope that in future it will. So here's the bottom line: Active Campaign is like hiring a 24/7 sales plus marketing assistant that never forgets, never sleeps, and always sends the perfect message. If you're serious about scaling, nurturing, and automating your business, this tool should be on your shortlist. And by the way, if you want me to make a video in deep diving this active campaign, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.